Welcome back to Fixed It Wednesdays on Northerners on Tour. Today, an interior modification for the van. When we bought our van a year and a half ago, the people who had it previous to us had put in a brand new mattress, like a sprung loaded coil filled type mattress, and it's too hard. It's really hard. I'm not too bad, but Lisa suffers. When we're away for a few days, she suffers. It gives her some back pain. So I say it's upgraded. We've ordered, and it's arrived, a new mattress from Amazon. It was about £150. I will put it in the description below, the make and everything. It's got brilliant reviews for the price. It's a 4 foot small double. That means that it's a square or oblong mattress. So we've got to cut off the corner. So I'm going to go and grab some blades from B&Q and get cracking. Now I've dragged out the mattress, and you know, I would genuinely recommend you check your mattress in your van, whether it's a caravan, a motorhome, a camper van. Just check the weight, because I'm not being funny. I struggled with this to not just get it out, but I struggled to lift it. It was that heavy. I bet it was 30 kilo. I will weigh myself with it in my arms and then weigh myself again. And at the end of this vlog, I'll let you know how heavy it is compared to the memory foam. And it's not just an exercise of being comfortable, it's an exercise of saving weight. Obviously, the weight we can save, the better. And the mattress is a proper motorhome / caravan mattress, what we've taken out, and it's well heavy. It's probably really good quality. Is it really suitable for a camper van? I would say not with that amount of weight, but I'll let you know at the end of this video on how heavy it is and how much weight we've managed to save. And oddly enough, I always used to struggle to get under the bed because it's on gas struts, and I thought the gas struts themselves were worn out. Basically, I thought that was it, you know, the gas had gone out of them, but it's proven me wrong, because look at that, completely straight up and stays up. Excuse all the junk underneath for scooters and everything under there, but I struggled to push that back down now. So there we go. So that'll be absolutely cracking that when we get the new mattress on, because it is considerably lighter. So I'm going to nip down to B&Q and get these blades, and we're going to get cutting. So here is the old mattress. You would not believe how heavy it is, and I've had to drag it out the van, so it's made a bit of a mess on the side. But this is it's a brand new one, actually. When we got the van, let me just have a look. When we got the van, that's what it's called. It's called a Johnny. Now, not being funny, but that mattress, I'd love to know how heavy it is, but it must be 30 kilogram. Easily. This one, it's well heavy. It's a sprung loaded one, so it's like it's so firm it makes us, well, I'm not too bad, but Lisa's not comfortable, and it is quite it is really firm. So we've got a memory foam one from Amazon. This is one that's recommended, really, not for caravans. It's just a memory foam mattress with really good reviews. It's not a Silent Night one or anything like that, but I've stood it up because I don't want Woody to go and lie on it. I've got to dip down to B&Q. As you can see, there's 3 lots, like an egg pattern type thing on there, and like a memory foam, and then the main foam. So I'm going to have to unpick this out of this inner cover, sorry, and cut the corner off. It's going to be cut off, and we're going to get it put back in. So we'll go and have a look, see what happens. Alright, been to B&Q, got my blade. I'm looking forward to doing this, not really, but there we go. I'm going to unpick this this cover. This will stitch back on afterwards, this side cover. I'm going to line the mattress up, so I don't want to unpick that side too far. We'll get it as level as we can in the central. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut it. That's about level. The central. I'm going to cut it. Well, I'm going to cut a sample piece first. This is a big blade, so I'm opening it and do it in 3 sections with this. With this foam, it does sort of split. I think it's bonded actually, but the idea is to go through like that. You see? And it does cut fairly neat, so if I'm careful, it should be okay. And that's bonded to the lower level there. So, right, needs to start there. I need to unpick it a little bit more. And it finishes there, I would say. Right, time to coot. Make sure this is the corners properly out of the way, so I'm not going to cut it. That should be okay. Right, here we go. Let's do this top one first of all. Yeah, that's alright. Making me sweat this. I'm really being a bit careful because obviously this mattress at 100 and whatever it was, 50, 160 pounds, so the thing I want to do is ruin it. Alright, I'll pull this piece off now. It is like stuck down, but as long as I don't interrupt it, it should be alright. There we go. That's the first piece. Be careful of that marker because it's going everywhere. Corner piece is stuck down a bit firmer. So that's the first cut. I've got the other section now to do, and when we've done this, I'm going to put it back in the van and make sure it's right. I'm just going to make sure that this corner is away, this cover. That's what I want to do, is cut through that. There we go. So, pull it out a bit. Stressful. Round two. Get this cut. At the end of the day, this is covered anyway, so it doesn't matter too much about how neat it is. I've cut it with plenty just so I can neaten it as I'm going, you see. There we go, it's not bad now, is it? Just around the corner. Right, so I've cut it. Fairly neat, nice and straight. It's forming the classic French bed shape, if you will. So I'm just going to tidy this up here, and I'm probably just going to use some duct tape because there isn't a cover to go over that anyway. So we'll get the duct tape on the job now. Oh, I'm out of breath after that. So as you can see, the mattress is all done. It's cut to size and to shape. We need to get it in the van now. I'm going to wait until Lisa's around and we'll get her to give us a lift, but that's quite neat, that. Quite happy with that. So, yeah, clean up the mess. I'll show you next in the van. So we've all got it put back on now, the mattress, nice and easy to lift in. At the start of this vlog, I mentioned about the weight, ridiculous amount of saving, really. The two mattresses were as follows. The original coil sprung one, 30 kilograms, thereabouts, a few grams either side. The one we put in 11 kilograms, so with a 19 kilogram saving. The bed lifts up so easy now on the gas struts, that's brilliant. We get underneath without being chopped in two. But we're actually out in the van now. We gave it a try last night. And what are your thoughts, Lisa? What do you think about this mattress?
I think this mattress is going to be a lifesaver. I had no numb hips last night, no dead legs. So yeah, it's a big thumbs up from me. Well worth the money. So
there we go. So as I said, I'll put a link in the description to this mattress if you're interested in having a look at it, see if it's any good. Yeah, we recommend it. It's brilliant.